Okay, so what I'm going to show you here is reducing the noise floor and the importance of having some quiet time right at the beginning of the recording. So here I have a recording, hang on, hold on. And this is what we call the noise floor in here. So what I do is I go up to Effect and then Noise Reduction. And then I need to get hang on a second, I'm a little bit ahead of myself there. Go and select a section. Now, I'm not going to take this higher peak here or something over here because that might be the mouth noise, click of a mouse. I'm just looking for the basic noise floor there. So go there, go up to Effect, Noise Reduction, get the noise profile. So it's got the profile of that particular piece there. Go back out here. This is like a two-step process. Noise reduction, and then I can go and press OK, and let me see if I do a Control Z. Yeah, see it changes slightly here. All right, and you can bring it down by more, or you can run it a couple of times. A couple of times might be a better way to actually do it than increase the amount of the reduction. All right, so if we just run it again, it'll probably come down even more, so it's nice and quiet, so you don't have that background noise in there. I'm going to create another video too.